Yo, what is up, everybody? It's P-Sci. Welcome to another video. Back on the S&P 500 SPY, and we're trading put options today. Yeah, we've just been red all day. I had some calls towards the end of the day yesterday, and I got out of them because I knew today was going to be red, but I didn't have any extra funds to buy put options to hold overnight. But what are they looking like right now? Puts, yeah, so unless you were like basically in the money, you weren't gonna get any profit anyway. I just bought some in the money ones, and now it's dropped like a total of 50 cents in that time. So now I'm up 17%, which is really nice. 20%, 21%. Pretty cool stuff. I really don't know where the bottom is. But now looks like a good time to get out. Oh, come on, bro. You gotta be kidding me. No. No way did it go all the way back up to 606. No flippin' way. What is why? Why did you do that? You've got to be kidding me. Oh my god, what happened? Drop back down. Yo, they knew that I was going to sell, and they were like, nope, not today, mister. You will lose and you will like it. Wow. That's unreal. Not happy about that. Let's double down. You're not going to fool me. What is going on with this, man? It was at 105. How is it back down up to 114 per share? Like, what is going? Oh my god! Just let me get in at a decent price. Oh. All right, it looks like we're forming a head and shoulders right here, and this is the peak of the second shoulder. I gotta sell it on the downturn. Yeah, so this has got to be the peak. Where was this? This was at 64, and this is at 44. So a little bit higher, and then that'll be the peak. So I should set up another buy for like 0.87 for another 5. And then we'll see a decrease down to hopefully around like the 606 level again. And then after that, we'll see a huge bullish run. I think a head and shoulders pattern is bullish, right? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it is. So, yeah. Once that one, that 607 put fills, then it should do pretty well for us. It might not even fill. It might just drop from here, but I doubt it. Dang. Didn't realize we were in a head and shoulders. All right, we are in, so we should start to see this go down shortly. This is probably beyond a lot of your guys' risk tolerance. Because if you see these numbers and you're like, whoa. But yeah, all in a day's work. Okay, approaching the 606.60 mark. Hopefully we reject off of that and just start the downtrend. And I want a vigorous downtrend. I want IV to spike so I can get out of these at a really good price. Yeah, I want to just bounce off that 50 RSI and just plummet. Okay, we touched 62 cents. Kind of stuck at 59, 62. $59, $52. Okay, so that 8-cent drop was a great sign. I think that we were correct. So now we just wait and collect our profits. So you're going to see this minus 800 go to positive. Should be very exciting. I'm glad I got to capture this type of play because usually I just post very simple where I'm already green and then I just take profits. But this, you can see a trade go from green to red to green. Because at the end of the day, the market makers want to shake you out of your positions and you make no money. The thing is, though, the charts don't always follow the patterns. And also, it just takes forever. So if your risk tolerance is not very good, then like looking at this negative 950, and you'll just like soil yourself. And there's a chance that we're wrong here, and it just zooms past this area. But I think it was, let me just get an exact price. This peak was right over here. High 606.64. So yeah, we're hoping to reject that 606.64. So 606.60, and it's gonna hover around there for a little bit, which is totally fine. All right, we're down 1,000. I didn't think it would go all the way down to the 80s. Honestly, do I just add 5 more? Yeah, that's only $400. I'll just add 5 more. All right, it hit. So we've got 40 contracts. That's actually huge. 40 contracts is insane. Each penny this changes, that's $40. Let's see what our cost average is now. 106. So we just need this to go up 25 cents. And we should be good to go. So if it actually goes anywhere near this high, 140 right here, that's 106 from 140 is 20. No, it's 34. 34 times 40 contracts is, oh, that's not even $1,500. Oh, well, whatever. Yeah, if this breaks through, then we're just going to have to take the $1,000 loss, which stinks. Yeah, it broke through. I think that sort of invalidates what I was thinking. But then we go right down to 65, 68. I think I'll just stop out at maybe the 80 mark. I don't know. It's really goofy right here. Really goofy. Maybe I was the catalyst. It broke the 200-day moving average. All right, and there's 80. So we're actually down 1,500 bucks. Unfortunate. I really thought puts were going to be the way today, but looks like I bought at the freaking bottom. Yeah, that's a real shame. I wonder how high we'll go. I'm going to have to exit this position soon. I hate taking losses like these. I can gain it back today, but I doubt calls will be good. Like, I might even just keep this because it's still technically in the money. The put option, that is, because I got 607s. And as long as the price is below 607, these won't be zero at the end of the day. But still, that is unfortunate. 83. All I can hope for is that it'll bounce off of this peak right here. Let's see if that was actually an 88 or if it was higher. It went up to 606.96 on that candle. 606.94. Maybe we bounce off that 606.90-ish range. Because in pre-market, looks like it got to 607 and then rejected off of that. But yeah, you really never know. You really never ever know. This is on such low volume too. RSI shot up right through that 50 mark. Now it's closer to, what is that? Let's see. RSI is, doesn't display RSI? That's crazy. Guess I have to go to that level. Okay, RSI is like 55 and a half. Such low volume. Hopefully we see this rejection because this is just a fairy tale bull run. Okay, back down to 70s. All right, so it's dropping hard right now. This could be a fake out for the upside. Or this could be validating the rejection off of the 606, the high 606 range. But it does need to reject hard for us to keep our position. I want to see this next volume candle. So we got to wait another like 30 seconds for this candle to close. 5-minute candle. Any second now. Back up to 80 cents. 74. That's a 6-cent rejection. Okay, another 3-cent rejection. All right, the volume bar closed, and that was a decent amount of volume, actually. That's kind of scary. High volume pumps are dangerous, but we could see a chop and then a drop, which is just not good for my theta decay. But we bought, what's it called, in the money, so like we shouldn't have to worry about it too much. And we literally only need this to go up to 106 in order to break even. I almost want to add more, but that's just silly to do at this point. We're almost $1 away from our break even position. And it's 0 day to expire, and we only have less than 4 hours left in the day. And it's only 350 bucks, right? Hopefully this takes our average below $1. Nope, 103. Unfortunate. All right, let's see that rejection. This trade has taken so long. Usually my trades don't take this freaking long. Yeah, I imagine we do a little bit of chop here. I almost want to buy 5 more to make it an even 50. Oh, but just in case I'm wrong. All right, now we can see some good stuff going on for us. 56. They better not let this go green for me, because I'm going to start taking profits immediately. I can't afford to just keep on losing money on this. All right, so we were at negative 1,500, and now we're only at negative 700, which is really cool. Ivy is pumping. I should have bought more, but it is okay. As long as we can get some profit, every little bit counts. Every penny this changes is $45 more in our pocket. Yes, give me the money. Give me the money. Yes, give me the money. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm sick. I have a broken leg. What else could go wrong? All right, so now we touched where we're only negative by 300 something dollars. So that is really good. Remember, just less than 30 seconds ago, or 30 seconds ago, less than 3 minutes ago, we were at a point where we were down like $1,500. But I trusted the process. I knew that once we got to that 80 range, we had to start to reject. I know I said 60, but then I re-looked at the other peak, and I was like, this is another zone for rejection. I didn't want to bail on this and then leave money on the table. But I'm glad I stayed in, and I even quadrupled down and got some more up at the top. So hopefully we can make this trade profitable. We're only down $160 at this point, so just a few more cents and we should be green, and then we can start taking some profits, which is really nice. I love taking profits. It validates everything. If we could somehow profit like off this trade, like, you know, like 20% or something, that would be crazy. That'd be like almost $1,000. Okay, retracing up a little bit. You know what? That validates what is going on here. I'm going to foolishly buy another 5. And then I still have a couple thousand for trades later on if I want to reverse back to bullish. Because right now I'm very bearish. All right, so we got our 50 contracts. And our 50 contracts average is 101. So we're just 10 cents away from reaching our break even, which is really cool. Okay, 94, 93. The underlying price is 606.42, and we are expecting a further drop. Let's take a look. Over here, we should have just had another candle, and it's a red candle, but the volume is slightly higher than the previous candle. We're seeing the price go down a little bit and then bounce up another 4 cents. So it's chopping like I thought it would chop. I actually thought it would chop a little bit higher than this, but I'll take the chop at the low levels. I don't think it changes anything. But, yeah, we still might lose on this one. Where would the reversal be? You know what? I don't see a floor anywhere here. I think this is just going to shoot straight down if it does shoot down. So I don't want to triple, quadruple down, but because I already have $5,000 in this investment, this trade. So I think I'm just going to leave it at the 50, but here would be a great time to add more. But that's just a little bit above my risk tolerance. As you can see, it's starting to go up a little bit more. And then there's the drop. Yeah, they were just trying to fake those people out. But yeah, our puts are still 58 cents in the money, 61 cents, 60 cents, 62 cents in the money. All right, I just need a big drop to fill that gap that we had and close out this, what's it called? This head and shoulders before the big turnaround. Because I doubt this goes any further down than this little valley right here at 9:15 in the morning. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh my God, don't do this to me. This always takes forever. But I guess it's part of the game. Okay, can we see mid-30s now for the underlying 606.35? That'd be great. I really want to be here for the big drop. Okay, chopping a little bit, jumping up 8 cents out of nowhere. That's pretty cool. I just love it when I'm in puts and the stock price jumps up 8 cents. Is this really going to be a slow bleed downwards? I was hoping for a violent drop like we saw the violent increase. But it might be a slow bleed because people are probably in the 0 day to expire puts over here, and they want to make sure that these expire basically worthless. These 606s are going to print though. Well, only if it drops, like, significantly. And it's already back up to 606.56, so I don't know. This could just be the chop that I was talking about, because I knew they were going to chop it around, try to decrease the value, because all the options are going to be losing value. And then the ones that are in the money are going to be the ones that end up giving you what you need. But these 606 ones, when I opened this up, it was like 30 something, and now it's already at 40, 42. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. And we've got 50 in the money puts right now. Oh, that's great. Every penny the underlying goes down, we get $50. That's so cool. Come on, Daddy needs a new boat. I want to see 605 again. What was it at? It was like 605 something when I... Yeah, 605.79. Yeah, I'm just going to need you to drop $1 real quick. Just $1. Okay, let's see what those 606s are at. 38 cents. Ooh, those look spicy. I want to buy one. 41 cents. Look at that. Oh, this is going to rip faces off. Yeah, this is going to rip faces off. 606.44. Oh, baby. 95. We're almost at our break even, guys. We are almost at our break even. I will be selling 10 contracts to take some profits. All right, so that option is green on the day. We are at the mid-30s, like I told you I wanted us to be at, which is really cool, really neat. 97. Oh, yeah, we are so close. Just a few cents away from being green. Oh, yes, 606.30. This is what we are talking about, baby. Oh, my God, bro. Let's see some 20s. Let's see 606.20 something. Oh, yes, you want to do it. You want to do it. Oh, there's 29, baby. There's 29. We are green. We are green on the day, baby. Oh, my God. I wish I could enjoy this further, but I am very sick. All right, so now we're green $200. I'm so glad that I got to show you guys this, that you can go from negative 1,500 to green on the day. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and take some profits off of this. Even though that's ill-advised, I know it's going to go down further, but this is just going to make me feel a little bit safer. So I'm just going to sell 10 really quick. So now, now that those 10 are off the table, every penny it goes up for us will only give me $40 instead of $50. But at least I feel safer, and I put some money on the table. I've got some profits secured. So let's see this go to 606 in the teens, and then maybe I'll I'll take some more profits. All right, so we're already up $500. Jeez Louise. Yeah, like, that's amazing. $580. Jeez, look at this. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So let me show you those what's it called? Those 606s. So remember, they were 38s and then 42s. They are at 54s right now, guys. Just goes to show you that there's always ways to make money. I'm sure you could have made money off the calls as well. But yeah, there's literally, like, you can just look at the market and then just see what the pattern is, and you can make some quick money on options, which is insane. All right, it's starting to act funny. I know it's going to go down further. So it's like almost like, do I buy back in some more, or do I wait to play the upward position and buy calls later after this downturn? It's just a matter of whether or not it's going to go further past this 605.70 range or 605.80 range. I don't know if it's going to go past that, but I do know that it's going to touch it at least. It's definitely going to touch it. Let's see the details over here. The last volume candle. Oh, the next volume candle is coming in 1 minute, and we're almost breaking the 605 mark on the underlying, or the 606 going to 605.99 is what I meant. All right, 1 more minute. Let's see what the volume candle ends up as and where RSI is. RSI is going down, and then the MACD bars are going down too. Oh, this is really good for us, or for me. I don't trade live because then everyone's going to be mad when they lose all their money. Come on, buddy, just close the candle already. I can't believe I'm begging time to go faster. Oh, come on, don't close at like 11. Close at like 5. Ah, dang you. All right, so low green volume. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that is so sick. Look at this price. It's tanking. Oh, my God. You saw it here first, guys. Up $820. And we already took some profits. We already have some profits secured. Dang, this is going to be a long video. I never intended it to be this long because I opened the position close to like this point right here, 11-ish. This video is already like half an hour long. Jeez. All right, come on. Come on. Let's get out of here, guys. Let's just get out of here. All right, 605.99, like I stated. So I think we have 20 more cents before we start to see see the a potential reversal. I don't know if it's actually going to reverse, but I'm definitely taking profits once we drop another 20 cents here, because I do not want to get caught with my pants down. Yeah, I think I'm going to sell 15 in like a minute from now. What would those be at? So if I go down 20 cents from here, these would be at like closer to 150. So I think I'm going to sell 15 of these. Sell 15 of these. Let's go like 1.4-ish. Yeah, 1.4. Done. And that'll leave us 20 contracts to mess around and find out. Just in case I ever get monetized again, I want to make sure that my content is as family friendly as possible. Guys, make sure you watch my videos and subscribe to the channel so that I can get monetized again. Oh, it looks like they're not going to let me sell at 140 per contract. Dang, that stinks. Looks like the reversal happened at a point somewhere in here that I didn't realize was a high volume area. Oh my gosh, do I just exit here? That sucks. No, they're trying to fake me out. They're trying to fake me out. We are touching that 605 79 range, that 605.80 range. Like, we're touching it. They're just trying to mess with me. Because they're trying to mess with me, I think I want to change my sell limit closer to 150. But I don't want to miss that. I don't want to miss the, what's it called? The fill at that price. Come on, give me back 605.99, baby. 606.08, 606.07. I can't believe we're at like 608 something yesterday. Crazy. Crazy. All right, so that was some nice chop. We should see a downturn. I cannot believe I'm going to post a 40-minute video. No one's going to watch this. To all of the no people that are watching this right now, what's up? Leave a comment. Tell me about your trading history. I usually reply to every comment, and if I read it and it's not something vulgar, I usually give it a heart as well. All right, so we're reversing a little bit. See, like, when it does that, it looks so scary, and, like, it makes my emotions want to take over and sell. But that's high red volume. You know what? This could be the reversal. Honestly, it might be. It might be. Okay, so we're not going to walk away with nearly as much as I thought we were going to walk away with. But how could I have been wrong about that? I guess anything is possible. 606.22. I honestly think we're going down. But where did I take profits at? I think it was at this level. Yeah, I sold 10 at 108. And right now we're at 107, which is funny. 104. Okay, going down again. Let's check those 606s, see how they're doing. 606s are still at 53 cents. 54 cents. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, I think that's more profit than we have gotten off of the 607s. Maybe. All right, we're at 114 now. I'm going to sell 5 because, oops, almost bought more. That would have been insane. Sell 5. This level is fine. Secure some more profits. Sell on the way up. You'll never get the peak, ever. You will never sell at the peak. So just don't forget that. Take profits. That's the number one way to lose money if you just refuse to take profits. Now that I took a little bit of profits, we will safely go back down to 605. And you know what? I'm not trying to mess around. I'm going to sell another 5 here. Bye-bye, profit. All right, so now we only have 30 contracts left. So actually now they might let it just drop because now I'm, out of a lot of the position. Yep, there we go. 605.96. That's just how it works sometimes. There's a bunch of algorithms calculating their risk assessment for the options that they have out there. And you'd be a fool to think that you're not included in that. They can see your position and they know exactly who you are as well. Not financial advice. All right, we're back over 1,000 profit in just the contracts that we are holding right now. And remember, you just saw me sell a total of 20 contracts. So we used to be getting $50 each penny it went down. Now we're only getting $30 each penny it goes down. Come on, buddy. Let's make some money here. Let's make some money. Actually, since the reversal it hasn't gone down fast as I thought it would go, I don't know if the reversal is even going to happen. It might just blow right through all this and then go to like 604, which would be insane. If this went to 604, then each of these contracts would be worth $300, and I'd have like $6,000 profit, which is hilarious. That's not going to happen, but it'd be pretty funny. Pretty funny. I'm in a cash account, by the way, before anyone asks. That's how I can buy and sell without having 25K in the account. Without getting a day trade. Because I'm just trading with cash. I like the T+1 settle date, though. Like tomorrow I'll be able to trade with this cash that I'm getting from these sales, which just changed the game. It's like, why would you even bother being in a margin account unless you're like doing like 100 trades a day? And who has time for that unless you're like a full-time trader? That'd probably be the best job in the world if you could just be really good and then just trade all day every day, and then that's how you made your income. Oh, it just feels so free. Taking money from all the other people out there that are losing money. Really, I wanted to get out of here with $1,000. Doesn't even seem like we'll do that. Just keeps on chopping. Is that a pattern that I know? What's that called? Some type of flag, and I can't remember if it's bullish or bearish. I think it's bearish. It might be bullish though, or it might not even be either of those things. It might just be nothing, and I'm just making stuff up. Oh, you never know. You never know. Dang, this video is going to be an hour. No one is going to watch it, and we just jumped up 30 cents. All right, party's over, guys. I don't want to be here anymore. I'm going to get out of this. 30. What's my cost average? I don't want to sell for a negative. What's my cost? Oh, my cost average is 90. Wow. I could sell here and then actually, you know what? Why would I let them bully me like that? This is fake, right? Is this fake? Is this fake? 45, we should have another volume candle. A slight red volume candle. RSI is approaching that 50 mark again. And the MACD bars are still red. Up to 40. Now we're in the red again. See, that's why we take profits. All right, let's see if it rejects off that. Uh-oh, it doesn't look like we're rejecting off that. That's crazy. Is this the reversal? Or is there going to be another... Huh. I really don't know. I would hate to take profits here, though. That's just sad. Because I could have had $1,000. But yeah, like I said, this is why you take profits. If you're first starting off, you might not be able to have a position where you can take small amounts of profits. You'd be selling a ton of your position. But you're better safe than sorry, honestly. What if this never goes back down? Then I just miss out on all that stuff. And if I was still in all 50, then I would have missed out on a ton of profit. Yeah, I probably should have taken some more out at 1,000. It didn't go down as much as I thought it would. It still might go down, but this video is getting so long that no one's going to watch it. So I'm just going to get out here against my better judgment. At least I went green. Trade, sell. Yeah, let's just get out. Of course, when I'm trying to get out, it just entices me to stay in longer. Wow, we're already back up at $1. That's crazy. They were just trying to shake people out, and that almost worked on me. Can't believe I could be so stupid to fall for a 20-cent increase. All right, baby, we're going to 604. Eventually. 606.26. Yeah, watch this, guys. 40-cent drop incoming. Let me see how weak the volume was on that. Weak volume. RSI is still medium. Yeah, I don't know if there's going to be a huge drop, but there will be a drop. This will go down. We're already back up 12% on our position again. 13%, which is nice. Yeah, I don't know why I called out the chop earlier, and then I reacted. Well, I almost reacted negatively to when it actually played out how I predicted it would play out based on my previous experience with the market. That's why you have to just check your emotions at the door when you are trading, because you will lose so much if you're trading emotionally. I cannot stress that enough, guys. If you take anything from this video, I doubt that you watched this far anyway, is that do not trade on emotions. Look at the patterns, use your technical analysis, figure out your risk tolerance, and take into account the probability of your technical analysis of actually going through. Otherwise, you'll get burned. %'s pretty nice. You know what? I'm looking at this all wrong. I'm looking for like a huge percentage, but really, 10% in one trade is unbelievably good. Like if you could do that every day, you would be filthy rich in a month. So maybe I should take some profits at this 10% because I can. Nah. Greed will kill your portfolio, by the way. Headphone user warning. Let's see that next volume candle. Can't believe another 5 minutes has already passed. Cannot believe this. All right, another really low volume candle. This is very weak. Very weak. This is standing on nothing. Huh. We should see more downward movement. Let's check on our best friends, the 606s, and see how they're doing. Oh, down to 49. Interesting. Yeah. Getting in at 38 and getting out at 54 was probably your best bet for the 606s. because they do not want to pay out on those 606s, guys, which is why we're seeing this chop right now. But the 607s are basically guaranteed, especially now that my cost average is less than 90. Yeah, I think this closed at around my my entry. What did it close at yesterday? This closed at 5 below. Okay, so 97. So my average cost is 7 cents below the its closing price for last night. All right, here's a nice drop. Here is a nice drop. Look at that. Beautiful. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Yeah, this is bearish. This is very bearish. I'd be surprised if it goes down quickly right here. I think that there's more chop in store for us. Yeah, there's definitely more chop in store for us, but we don't care because we're not in the out of money options. We're in the in money options. So the value will not decrease nearly as quickly as it would if we were in an out of money option. Yeah, I feel like this is probably going to go to 606 again, and then we'll be done. And then the reversal will start. Or maybe 606.10. Yeah, I'm not sure. At any moment, this could just skyrocket 50 cents and then just blow our position out of the water, which is crazy. But that's why we took some profits. Actually, we can calculate how much profit that we got. We go down here, and then we go here, and then we see that we got $25 profit on that 5 contract sale. We got, we lost 65 on this, because I think our cost average at the time was less than that. And then this sale, we lost 90. Wait, what the heck? Huh. That is weird. So essentially the profit that we took was negative according to that, which is very weird. Maybe someone in the comments can explain that, but you saw that we sold when we were in profit, so that doesn't make sense. Oh, it's because I've been buying these contracts at different prices. And I think it goes like first in, first out type of thing. So that makes sense. Like overall, our profit loss were green, but in terms of the initial contracts that I bought, they were so expensive that when I was selling them, they were technically red, even though my cost average is better than that now. Which just means that our realized profit is going to be even higher once we do end up selling all 30 of our remaining contracts. That kind of makes sense. I don't know why they would do that. Well, actually, it has to be that way because they can't account for you buying more contracts after you've already sold some initial contracts from your position. So this is literally the only way they could do it. So now it makes sense in my head. Hopefully it makes sense in yours as well. All right, up to 32. I am done with this. I'm done. Bye. I'm done. I am done. Get me out of this. I don't want to be here anymore. Should have sold at $1. Son of a gun. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Do not do this to me. Do not do this to me. Oh, you son of a gun. You son of a gun. No flipping way. Okay, so we jumped up to 606.40. Should I be scared? It was on low volume. Okay, phew. Okay, guys, this is fake. This is fake. All right, we're going back down. This is on extremely low volume. There's nothing backing this. There's nothing behind it. We should see this go down again. eventually. Jeez. Oh, I see. Is this the prophesized reversal I was talking about? We have seen insane jumps in price with like almost no volume. So it could be that. I just hope this doesn't last too long. RSI is just climbing right now. Ripping faces off. My face. Yeah, this is why I don't trade full time. Because of BS like this. Some would argue that I should have taken profits before, but like, YOLO. Okay, coming back down. So crazy that chop ended up with a, oh, I think they were just trying to destroy, what's it called? The 606s. So those are down to 36, which is a good price to get in. But I ain't about to touch those with a 10-foot pole. Ain't about to do that. Underlying is at 606.60. 606.59. Weird. These 607s are so cheap, I want to buy back in a little bit. Buy. Let's buy another 5. Alright, that'll bring our cost average even down further. Now we're at 88. Uh-oh. 606.71. That's insane. Look at that. Glad I took some profits. I don't recommend this. This is not financial advice. Never do this. $71, $72, $71. Yeah, I'll take this. I'm gonna buy 5 more. All right, we're back up to 40. So each penny it goes, I get $40 or lose 40. Cost average is back to, or down to 86, which is nice. But now each contract is worth $67, unfortunately. Yeah, this can't last forever. This candle's going to close. If it's a super high green volume, then I'll be a little bit worried, but oh, shoot. Jump to the 80s. 78. Okay, that's extremely low volume compared to what's happening before. All right, so this is so fake. It's not even funny. Yeah, it's just fake. It's not even real. It's not even real. It's so not real. Let's put your money where your mouth is. $45 contracts. Average cost $84. So we're 20 cents away. 19 cents away from our break even. This has been a wild ride. This is almost an hour-long video. Hopefully you guys are watching this at 2 times speed. Unless you really want to get the feel for it. But it's literally just my voice, and then I'm on my phone. Yeah, 65 was a really good fill. I should have bought another 5. Probably bring my cost average down even further. Well, for my remaining contracts, that is. Back up to 71. 73. All right, seeing the drop start to happen now. Now, if we go back up to $1, our profits are going to be insane. Look at that killer drop. All right, we're only down $70 again, which is just great. Now we're only down $25. Now we are officially up $110. Now let's look at our friend, the 606s. 606s are 37, 36. Yep, just like I said. These haven't moved, but these the 607s have changed drastically since we last looked at them. Just goes to show you, in the money is better for 0-day expiration. But you're obviously not going to make like insane gains, but like still, like 1% is pretty good. If you can beat the S&P 500 overall, then you're doing pretty good. So any money that you're gaining today is better than losing 91 cents per share. $0.54. Okay, we're green again. Wait, what is my cost average? How am I green at that? 84. Okay. 84 is the cost average. Okay, so this bottom number doesn't update as quickly as the money portion. Can we see 40s again? I think we can. Nope, there's 40s. Sick. Can I leave this trade with 50% profit? Can I leave this trade with 50% profit? I don't know. 5% profit would be pretty nice. But 50? That's 10 times. So like 5% profit is like $200, as you saw. 50% profit would be like $2,000. Can I get $2,000 off of this? Off of these 45 contracts of S&P 500 put options? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, can you stop reversing like that, you son of a gun? Oh my God, bro. All right, so we just got that red volume candle, and it's pretty high. MACD bars are green? Crazy, actually. That's actually insane. Yep, and then there goes our profits. Now we're back down to negative 500. Delicious. Is this another fake out? I can't tell. Down $500, which is down 13%. Oh, back up to 606.71. Nice. Wonder if we're going to reject off that again. That'd be pretty cool. 606.74, 606.75. Yeah, they were just trying to get the put holders to leave. I ain't leaving. You're lucky I don't quintuple drown, double down. How do I say that? Ow. Double down, triple down, quadruple down, quintuple drown. Oh, that's a tongue twister for me. Dancing around the 606.70 range, 606.60s. I wonder when the reversal back up will be, because we kind of had the Head and Shoulders, but then, like, I don't know. Is that a Head and Shoulders even? If this is a Head and Shoulders, then this would be the part where it just skyrockets. So maybe I should get out and go bullish. Probably should. I don't want to lose this $400. I think I'll just cope and see if it goes down. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Trade options. Today. No. Tomorrow. Call options. 607s. 608s maybe? Yeah, 608s. These are going to go insane. I'll start off with 5 of these. You must be asking, dude, why are you buying the opposite of your current position? Because of the way the market works. My position will make my other position go crazy. If it could ever fill, I can't believe it hasn't filled yet. Yeah, we jumped up 3 cents right after I tried to buy in. Yeah, even more. Wow, it's going nuts. Is this the reversal? Maybe. Maybe not. All right, down 700 on our current position. Yeah, this might be it. 80? Ooh. I think we got to 90 last time and then we rejected. 90-ish. So we might get there again and then reject. Dang, bro. We were so close. So close to glory. Yeah, we're rejecting off that right now. 24. Okay, so now we're only down $650 instead. Now only down 250. I think our SPY calls are gonna take right now. Yep, they took. All right, we're in calls as well as puts right now. So let's see here. Okay. Okay, well, these calls are going down. What's the most that we could lose on these calls if they expire worthless? $360. Okay. All right. All right, here's the huge drop that was foretold in the prophecy. Never mind. We are pumping. Incredibly low volume still. Yeah, the reversal's coming soon. I want to make sure that I'm in it. Yep, back down to negative $700. Oh, but don't worry, our call position is mitigating that by 35. All right, here it is. 78.80. All right, I'm going to buy 5 more puts to put me back up to 50. Okay, back up to 50. Cost average is 82. All right, this is going to be legendary. All right, here is the start of that legendary rejection that I predicted. Look at that, beautiful. All right, we're not looking to get fancy with this. This has been dancing around way too much for my comfort. So once we go back green, I'm going to take some more profits because we're back up at 50 contracts again somehow. This day has just been insane. All right, give me another 6 cents so I can start taking profits. Okay, 1 cent. 5 more cents. Where each cent gives me $50 more. Okay, 4 more cents. Come on. What's the stock doing? Oh, come on. This has already been taking way too long. Yep, there's 50s. Good, good, good. Let's go deep 50s, please. Somehow my calls are still green. That's funny. That is really funny. I got those at a decent price. What? No, this is not supposed to happen. Oh, come on, bro. No. Oh, yeah, I'm cooked. I am cooked now. Did I miss the drop? Still low volume. RSI is slowly climbing and the MACD bars are still green. Yo, this is weird. Oh, man. I am not in a good place right now. Doing something is always an option, and doing nothing is the other option. Need a rejection off this zone right here. They are really trying to shake people out. Made $40 on these calls. Wait a minute, not anymore. Oh, it's going back down again. Geez, every time I go to try and sell something, it just stops doing the thing that it was doing. All right, got out of my calls, made a little bit of profit on those. I think it was like $35. Let me see. Yep, $35. Doesn't do anything to dent the 900 that I'm down right now. Volume is climbing a little bit, but it's so low. Low volume is a put holder's friend. Look at that run up yesterday. Insane. Imagine if we filled that downwards. Right here. We just filled it downwards. Just boop, all the way down to this level right here, which was the 60350 range. That would be crazy. Do these candles tell us anything? Down and then up. No, not that I know of. Line go down. Peace I happy. Line go up. Peace I sad. Looks like I sold those calls at the top, which is funny. $35 isn't much, but you could buy a couple sandwiches with that, I guess. But none of that matters if this trade goes red, or stays red, rather. Because we are red. Remember we started off this video at like negative $1,500? Crazy how far we've come in an hour and a half. We are trapped in purgatory with this choppy price action. And in addition to that, this low volume is indicating that we are correct. RSI is starting to drop once again. I'm just really hoping for a knife down because, like I said, I don't want to be here. I had the opportunity to leave and I didn't take it. I told myself that I would trade better than before, but so far I haven't been trading better than I was before. Well, you know what? I lied. I am trading a little bit better. I'm taking profits, which is something that I had a big struggle with before. All right, we're down $1,000 right now. I think we broke free of the limits that we had on ourselves before for the upside. So it could go either way right now. Unless that was a fake out and they're just rejecting it completely and they're going to drop it. But it could theoretically go back to green on the day. And we'd be absolutely boned. We'd be happy to get out with only a $1,500 loss. But there's always tomorrow. That's the thing about this. Like I was saying earlier in the video, you can either lose a bunch of money in one day or you can gain a bunch of money in one day. And it's like that every day. Like, there's two sides to every trade. All right, volume bar just closed, and it is slightly red, but it's low volume. Yeah, we're just going to call that bearish. It's been stuck here for like 10 minutes now. But now, hopefully, everyone's going to lunch and they're selling their SPY shares. Sell, sell, sell. Ah, sell. Get out of there. No. Okay, we're back up to the 606.90 range. And this is where we rejected last time. I'm hoping for an extremely violent rejection, like 30 cents. I want to see 606.60 again in the next, like, minute. If it breaks through the 90, then we're just probably going to have to leave with our $1,000 loss and just offset that by how much we, what's it called? How much we took profits off the table earlier. Yeah, once these contracts go out of the money, you're toast. We're close. We're 5 cents away from out of the money. I wonder if we can reject off the 607. We're in the range where we rejected last time, like I was saying, so it could happen again. But these values aren't set in stone. They can change based on metrics that I am not privy to. All right, down 20 cents from the 606 or 607 range, which we were just at like a second ago. Yeah, who am I kidding? I knew that today wasn't going to be a super, super red day. It was probably going to be red, but not super, super red. Like I need it to be now for me to break even here. Here's a little drop. They might be trying to shake out call holders, but I am gaining some value back. Remember, each penny it goes down, I gain $50. Here's a nice downturn. I should be more excited, but I'm just drained from having to sit here for so flippin' long. 50s, 60, 58. Yeah, see, guys, there was like no volume on these increases. So, like, all that was fake. Like, it wasn't even real. How far can we go? 155. I should take some profits here. Gosh, I can't believe I'm taking profits again. All right, I'm going to take some profits. God. Let's sell 5 at this level. 82. Oh, did I mess that up? Is my cost average? Okay, good. My cost average is 79. $48. 49. What's going on here? That volume just closed. What was it? It was high red volume. That's spooky. RSI is down to the 50 level again. This could easily bounce off that. So, let's go 15 at the 84. Get out of there. Sell, sell, sell. Sell. Ah. All right, so now we're only at 30 again. And now it's going to drop like crazy. Because we're not going to make nearly as much as we would have if we held all of it. No, apparently not. Nope, I was right. 46, 47. We're going to see 30s now. 40. Ooh, 44. Nice. 41. What? What? Oh my god, I should have held. Do we take some more profits here? Probably, right? 92. 92. 91. That is tough. 93? Yo, we definitely take some profits at 93, right? Definitely. Yeah, it's the only thing that makes sense. Let's get out 5 more of these. Oh, come on, you jerk. You gotta be kidding me. It'll bounce back. Yeah, there it is. It'll bounce back. Let's check on those 606. Oh, I need puts. 606s. They're at 40s now. I'm surprised that they're letting them go up that high. I thought they would try to destroy those way better than this. Those are still a viable option. All right, so we just sold 5 at 93, so we have 25 left. I can hear you guys screaming, Sal, Sal, you're finally green again. You're finally green again. Yo, go big or go home, bro. Go big or go home. We only got 25 contracts. This is nothing. It's like $2,000. Like, pfft. All right, 31, 35, 37. Was that the bottom? 38. 36. I know if I sell all these, it's just going to tank. But you know what? Looking at this line, there's actually support here. You know what? It's fine, guys. I learned my lesson. Let's get out. Oh, this feels so bad. This feels so bad. Go down a little bit more. Go down a little bit more. Actually, I can set the limit for 0.95 and then just make sure that that gets it. Because this will hit 95. Like, this will hit. Yeah, 97. There we go. Now we got 5 left. All right, now we can just let these ride out. This is all house money because of the profits that we made. Let me just show you guys how much profit we made so I can end the video. Okay, so 390 plus 100 is 495. 495 minus 75 is 420. 420 minus 130 is 290. 290 plus 35 is 290 plus 35 is 325. 320. Oh, that's a purchase. So that's 607. And then plus 25. So that's like 250 or something. All right, so like $250 profit roughly. All right, let's see where we're at with these now. Son of a gun. All right, so just add another $200 on there for these 5 that are left. Unbelievable. Guys, imagine if I had all 50 still. Imagine. This is why I hate trading, man. Yo, I'm done. Bye-bye. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Snapchat. Link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Unfreaking real, man. Unreal, dude. Bro, I'm done. I'm so done. Makes me want to throw up. Unbelievable. Wow. Actually, this is the bottom. Yo, let's get into some calls, baby. Let's get into some calls. All right. 606s. No, let's go like in the money. How far in the money? Well, how far is this going to go down? Honestly, probably not too much more. Let's go 15 of these. Go. So there's a increasing slope of support here. that we're about to break through and invalidate me. Like the goober that I am. Let's buy 10 more. Yes, let's lose all of the profits that we just gained. Yeah, the reversal is going to be insane. 606.13, that sounds good to me. Uh-oh. Did we mess up? Maybe. Nah. Alright, this is the rest of my money for today, basically. 35 contracts at 138. Alright, so we're down 14 cents here. 605s. We are in the money still, though, so... Yeah, our break even is 606.39, which is literally not even that bad. I have 257 bucks left. I could buy another one. Actually, I could buy 2 more. Yeah. You gonna give me a chance to get 2 more? Doesn't look like it. Well, I timed the bottom. Jeez. All right. We are green. All right, let's see the best bullish run of the century. I want this to skyrocket. I want it to rip everyone's face off. Come on, baby. It's bouncing off that increasing slope of support. And that's what I was looking for here. My timing was a little bit off on the puts sale, but this call is gonna really make my day. I'm hoping for like $2,000 of profit here. If we go green on the day, that would be insane. 606.25. 606.28. Not bad. Really wish I could have gotten the full 37 contracts, but can't have everything. Oh man, it's giving me a chance to get in. Okay, sure. Oh dang, I need you to go down a little bit more. You know what? I'll just be satisfied with 1. Let me get 1. All right, now I got 36. What's my cost average on these? Still 138. Not bad. Uh-oh. How much do I have left? I have 124 left. So if I want to buy it, I'd have to buy it at 124. Well, might as well try. It took. All right, we are in with our 37 contracts. Already down $600. But we are fine. We have support right here with a positive slope. Looking for a violent bounce upwards. Let's see what we're missing out with our friends, the puts. 606 is back up to 57, and 607s were at 117, 119 now. That's really good. That could have been mine. What's 120 times 50? Let's see how much that is. 120 times 50 contracts, $6,000. Not bad, if I do say so myself. All right, so let's get back to the meat and potatoes. Here is the bounce. Give me some high volume, baby. I want a high green volume bar. 2 minutes until we get that next bar, which feels like forever when you're trading. All right, less than a minute left. RSI is dropping, but I think we're going to bounce off that. Well, I guess that's what I'm hoping. Do the bounce. Do the bounce. Less than 30 seconds left before this 5-minute candle closes. Let me see that huge volume. Really dancing around that 606 range. All right, the volume is in, and it's not very high, and it's red. We'll see what happens. Okay, we've been in this area for what seems like forever. Just chilling at the 606 range. But that's fine. The bounce won't be as violent as I thought. Or maybe it's just really just pulling back so that it can just explode. But I don't think it's going to break through that increasing support. It's trying to, but I don't think it will. And if it does, then that just invalidates everything and we'll have to sell for a $400 loss. And then that like negates all the gains that we got from our puts. But it's fine if that happens. It doesn't seem like that's happening because like every time I talk about it, it starts to reverse upward a little bit. But as of right now, this current open trade is down almost $500. Yeah, puts are doing pretty nicely. Yeah, calls got destroyed today. But we got our in the money ones. Yeah, the 606s are at 51, and then the 607s are at 109. Nice. Yeah, that's insane. They did so good. All right, I think this is the reversal. Our cost average is like 138, I think. Yeah, 138. So, yeah, we're just 2 away from break even. All right, that was a nice 15-cent increase. And then retracing a little bit. 60608. We were almost green. 60612. 13. All right, so 1250 just was 1 minute ago. Let's check out that volume. We have a green bar now, and it's slightly, ever so slightly larger than the previous bar. And then now we proceed to drop like crazy. Unbelievable. Back down to minus $500. That is frustrating. That is frustrating. We are at the 606 level once again. Waiting for the bounce. Maybe we can see the incline better on this with the candles. Yeah, you do see the support line kind of like an increasing type of line. Watch, it just breaks the support and just freaking crashes. That'd be so funny. Lessons learned. But yeah, they're not going to fool me. I'm pretty sure this support is strong. And unless I see the breakthrough, I'm not selling. Wow, the 606s are in the money now. Worth 59 a contract. Unbelievable. Those are about to go green on the day. That is crazy. Maybe I should have held. But you know what? The 607s are still only at 119, so... Huh. Yeah, they're theta decaying those. I don't know if this will ever go back up anymore. I think it's kind of settling just where it needed to be. Which stinks because we're in calls right now. So I don't know if it's going to go back up. But it hasn't broken through yet, which is what's keeping me here in limbo. I shouldn't have even bothered with the calls. I was green on the day, and now I'm slightly red. But we have plenty of money to trade with tomorrow. All right, 5-minute candle just closed again. Let's see the volume. Low red volume. That is a bad sign. And now you can see the trend of the decreasing volume. RSI is dropping, and the MACD bars are red. What's it called when you take some losses? Because taking profits and selling some contracts is called taking profits, but taking losses off the table, I guess, or reducing your risk tolerance, or stopping out. I think it's called stopping out. I might have to stop out a little bit. Because I was expecting the reversal. Cost average is 38. Yeah, that's unfortunate. But every time I go to sell, it always reverses, so I'll just pretend that I'm selling to fool the market into going up. $138 is our arbitrary break-even point. That doesn't mean a thing to the market, as long as they can get their money. 3 minutes till 1 o'clock. Crazy day. $99, $6, 602. $6 again. Oh yeah, we're going to the teens. Very strong support. Yeah, we're starting to reverse. 606, 04, 05, 04. Back down to 01. Wow. 605.99. Wow. Just wow. $605.80. Just wow. I'm flabbergasted here. This was not supposed to happen. I think it broke through the support. I'm gonna have to get out now. But tune in next time to see what ended up happening. All right, guys, subscribe for more.